These are the PADERNO kitchen tools that are essential in every kitchen. They were created with the home chef in mind, carefully designed for comfort, precision, and longevity. I'm Louisa and I'm a product developer at PADERNO. The safety can opener addresses a huge pain point of traditional can openers. Typically, can openers can create sharp edges and burrs along the lip that can cause injuries to both hands and kitchen tools. Our PADERNO Safety Can Opener removes the lids without leaving sharp edges or burrs on cans. It does this by cutting through the side of the can, leaving a smooth edge on top. As an added safety feature, we've designed a hidden blade so you can't cut yourself while in use or cleaning it. I love how simple it is to operate. Just press down, squeeze, and turn. My favorite, or best part of this safety can opener, is that you can remove the lid without touching the food inside the can. Just lift the lid off while it's still in contact with the opener, take it to the recycling bin, and drop it straight in. As with all of our kitchen essentials, the safety can opener has soft touch, non-slip grip handles to provide a comfortable and secure hold during operation. The blade is carbon steel, which means it will remain sharp throughout many years of use. And since there are very few moving parts and is a compact design, it takes up very little space when stored. Be sure to see our entire line of thoughtfully designed and inspired products from PADERNO.